ang tawagin kang Taquilla King and Queen. So just like our last year's honorees, the royal couple Ding Dong Dantes and Marian Rivera, these stars captured our hearts and ruled the box office.
It is our honor to present this year's Taquilla King and Queen to Alden Richards and Kathleen Bernardo.
Accepting the award on behalf of Kathleen Bernardo is Vanessa Madriaga. To present the trophies for the PMPC are PMPC President Mel Navarro and former Presidents Rodel Fernando, Roldan Castro, Romel Gonzalez, Fernando Guzman, Mel Balinera, and Julie Bonifacio Gaspar.
Good evening, everyone. Thank you for this award. I'm receiving this award on behalf of Miss Kathleen Bernardo. Mabuhay po ang pelikulang Pilipino. Maraming salamat. Again, accepting this award on behalf of Miss Kathleen Bernardo and Alden Richards. Maraming salamat po at mabuhay ang pelikulang Pilipino.
Kailangang mamatay ang nagdala ng peste.
Green Rose, yung dahilan kung bakit pagsulting ang tawag sa kanya. Guilty pleasure.
She protected herself from the man who was meant to protect her.
Hello, love again.
Huwag mo akong niloloko!
Ito niloloko.
Nagawa mo noon, magagawa mo rin ngayon.
Isang himala.
Tawagin ng lahat. Mayroon akong mahalagang sasabihin.
Unhappy for you.
Masarap yan. Pero hindi mo namamalayan, tatamaan ka na dyan. Traitor yan.
Uninvited.
And the star for Movie Ensemble Acting of the Year goes to Uninvited.
Presenting the trophy for PMPC is PMPC Treasurer and Exicon. Star Awards for Movies, Boy Romero.
Sa nanay tsaka sa tatay. Behalf of the whole cast ng Uninvited, maraming salamat po sa PMPC, Star Wars, at sa lahat po ng bumubuo ng pelikula namin. Siyempre sa lahat po ng aming cast, sa pangunguna po na walang iba kung si Miss Vilma Santos, Ata Mula, Nadine Lustre, Irso Cruz III, Maylene Dizon, Cholo Barreto, RK Bagatsing, Gio Alvarez, Elijah Canlas, Gabi Padilla, ano ba? At syempre po si Kuya Aga Mulak. Maraming salamat po, PMPC. Mabuhay po ang pelikulang Pilipino.